All right, Nate, got your Star Wars Masterwork. Switching over from the celebrity cuts. Good luck, buddy. Brian, just heads up for tomorrow. I am leaving at like 11:45. Not like 11:45. Exactly 11:45. Put it off. Let's do it now. Don't need any more. Alright. First hit. Kenneth Colley. Admiral Piet. /25. Got the Carrie Fisher parallel, number /25. Autograph of Jerome Blake. What the heck? It's like glued to the back of this. That's weird. Chewbacca and a $2.99 Great Rivalries insert. Autograph. The Luminara Undle. Unnumbered. And finish with. So no sketch in this one. What in the world? I don't understand why these things are glued together. Here's our medallion. Grand Moff Tarkin. Oh, it's unnumbered. Let me run through the hits one more time again. Luminara Undle. Mary Oyaya. Jerome Blake autograph. Carrie Fisher /25. And then the Kenneth Colley /25. Admiral Piet. All right, buddy. Appreciate it.